This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add a maps to your Wix website. Open your Wix site editor and click on this plus icon. Now click on this search box and type here maps. And then here you will get some Google Maps layout. You can add any of them to your Wix website. So I'm going to adding this map. And you can drag the map to change position. As you can see, the map is showing up here. You can view satellite by clicking here. So that's how we can add a map to our Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.